Impress your guests with this scrumptious roasted chicken. Let's see how you can make it.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are 1 whole chicken. It's a 3-pound chicken. I have cleaned and washed it. Caraway seed powder ½ teaspoon, paprika 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 4 tablespoons, salt 1½ teaspoon, black pepper 1½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and oil 2 tablespoons. First I will poke the chicken like this. Now I will mix all the spices in the lemon juice. Paprika, red chili powder, black pepper, salt. Mix it. Add ginger garlic paste. Add oil as well. And now apply this mixture onto the chicken.
Is it better to remove the skin or keep it?
I like to keep it because with the skin the meat is more moist and tender, but if you don't like the skin you can remove it. It's up to your choice. After the chicken is marinated, just refrigerate it for at least 6 hours, then we will bake it. After marination, I marinated the chicken overnight. I will spray my baking pan. I'm adding some potatoes. It's optional. If you like, you can add. Otherwise, you just place your chicken and bake it. Now I will spray the potatoes and place my chicken on the and pour the marination on the top. Spray the oil on the top. Now place it in a preheated oven and the oven temperature is 400°F for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, I will turn the side of the chicken. Chicken is ready. It took around approximately 70 minutes.
This is scrumptious.